UK versus US English, Part 5. Topic: 10 daily conversation phrases. 1. Offering a drink. UK English, fancy a cuppa? You look a bit cold. Fancy a cuppa? US English, want some coffee/tea? You look a bit cold. Want some coffee? 2. Finishing a meal. UK English, I'm stuffed. No more dessert for me, thanks. I'm stuffed. US English, I'm full. No more dessert for me, thanks. I'm full. 3. Showing gratitude. UK English, cheers. Cheers for helping me with that heavy box. US English, thanks. Thanks for helping me with that heavy box. 4. Ordering food. UK English, takeaway. I'm too tired to cook tonight. Let's get a takeaway. US English, takeout. I'm too tired to cook tonight. Let's get some takeout. 5. Shopping errands. UK English, the shops. I've run out of milk, I'm just going to the shops. US English, the store. I've run out of milk, I'm just going to the store. 6. Waiting in a group. UK English, queue up. If you want a concert ticket, you'll need to queue up. US English, get in line. If you want a concert ticket, you'll need to get in line. 7. Expressing success. UK English, Bob's your uncle. Just press this red button and Bob's your uncle. US English, there you go. Just press this red button and there you go. 8. Exhaustion. UK English, I'm knackered. I've been working since 6 a.m. I'm knackered. US English, I'm exhausted. I've been working since 6 a.m. I'm exhausted. 9. Cleaning up. UK English, wash up. If you cook the dinner, I'll wash up. US English, do the dishes. If you cook the dinner, I'll do the dishes. 10. Lower body clothing. UK English, trousers. I bought a new pair of navy trousers for the interview. US English, pants. I bought a new pair of navy pants for the interview. If you found this lecture helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend who is learning English, and don't forget to subscribe to Global English University for more international communication tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.